Hello everyone, Jonatech here. Where do you guys keep your Apple Pencil? I decided to put it in the middle of my smart keyboard cover. I'm gonna show you why that's a perfect position for me. We're gonna use the keyboard mode now and notice how it sits nicely in the back. By the way, the pencil holder plastic piece came with my Aoki dashcam, and original purpose was to keep cable from dangling, but you can use any other materials that will fit. And now we're going to go to tablet mode. This one is more challenging with one hand, but here we go. In this mode, it sits nicely inside of that triangle, so it doesn't bother me. Like I said, you can use any materials that will hold the Apple Pencil there. One solution I thought about is Velcro strip. I'd recommend searching for Easy Pass Velcro strip, something like this, not too expensive, but this might change your grip whenever you use Apple Pencil, so be aware of where you attach your Velcro strip. Or you could buy one of those pencil holders. Most of them loop around your cover and keeps your Apple Pencil in the pocket. If you don't want to attach anything to your cover, this will be a better solution. But as time goes by, it might loosen up and not as tight. And there's a pencil holder with adhesive back. It might be too easy for the pen to fall out. I don't know. You might have to read some of those feedbacks and decide yourself. And then there's a loop holder without flap, reducing one more step when you put pencil in and out. And it comes with a cap holder. Seems like a nice deal. And then there's another loop holder, which comes with a USB adapter. If you need to charge your Apple Pencil every day, this might be the best option for you. As you can see, there are a lot of options that you can consider. I hope my video helped you to decide on Apple Pencil placement. Please comment if you have a better idea. And I'm going to wrap up this video about here. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later with another device. Bye bye.